Have you ever wondered why some people seem to live life on autopilot, stuck, repeating the same mistakes, while others seem to rise higher, achieve more, and live with purpose? Here's the truth. Every single day, you are programming yourself through your thoughts, your habits, your words, your environment. The question is not whether you're being programmed. The question is, are you programming yourself the right way? In this video, you'll discover how your mind works like the most powerful supercomputer on Earth, and more importantly, how to rewrite the code. We'll explore why your subconscious is already running most of your life, how hidden mental programs shape your identity. So, take a deep breath, because by the end of this journey, you'll know exactly how to install the right mental software and start living as the person you were always meant to be. Welcome to Tranquility Insights. Let's begin. Your mind is not random, it's not chaotic, it is structured, like a computer. Think about it. Your conscious mind is like the keyboard, you type in commands. Your subconscious mind is the operating system, running everything silently in the background. And your habits are the programs, executing automatically without you even thinking. Science shows that around 95% of your daily behavior is controlled by your subconscious mind. That means most of what you do is simply habit loops, old code running again and again. It explains why. You keep reaching for the same comfort food when stressed. You keep doubting yourself before trying something new. You keep procrastinating, even though you promised yourself this time would be different. It's not because you're weak. It's not because you're lazy. It's because your programming is outdated. Imagine buying a brand new laptop, but it's still running software from the 1990s. Glitches, freezes, crashes, right? That's exactly what happens when your subconscious mind is filled with old beliefs and limiting scripts. The good news, just like a computer, you can update your system. You can remove old code, install new programs, and literally rewire your brain. This is called neuroplasticity. Your brain is not fixed, it's flexible. With the right repetition and emotional intensity, you can reprogram your subconscious. The question is, are you ready to rewrite your code? To program yourself the right way, you first need to understand how you got programmed the wrong way. From birth to around age 7, your brain is in what scientists call a theta state, a highly suggestible hypnotic state. This means children don't just learn, they absorb. If you grew up hearing money doesn't grow on trees, life is hard, you're not good enough, those statements didn't just pass by, they became code etched deep into your subconscious. Think back. What did your environment teach you about love, success, happiness, or possibility? Maybe you were told, don't dream too big, stay realistic, or people like us don't succeed. These weren't just words, they were programs. And here's the kicker, most adults are still living on code written in childhood. That's why a 40-year-old may still feel the same fears as when they were 10. But now, you're not a child anymore. You get to choose. You can become the programmer instead of the programmed. Programming yourself happens at 3 levels. 1. Words, the commands you type. Every word you speak is an instruction to your subconscious. Say, I can't, and your brain shuts down possibilities. Say, I'm learning, and your brain stays open to growth. In fact, research shows that just repeating positive statements can literally rewire your neural circuits over time. Ask yourself, what words am I feeding my mind every day? 2. Habits, the code you run. Habits are automated programs. Brush your teeth? Habit. Check your phone first thing in the morning? Habit. The key is, small repeated actions carve deep grooves in your brain. So, if you want to program yourself for health, don't just think it. Build habits that align with it. Want success? Create morning rituals that prime you for focus and productivity. 3. Environment. The operating system. Your environment shapes you more than willpower ever could. Think of it. If you're around people who complain all day, you're downloading their program. If you're surrounded by books, mentors, uplifting spaces, you're feeding your subconscious better code. Jim Rohn said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." That's not just a motivational quote, it's neuroscience. So look at your environment. Is it programming you for growth or limitation? Now comes the most important part, how to reprogram yourself. Here are 5 proven methods to update your mental software. 1. Affirmations with emotion. Words alone are not enough, you must charge them with feeling. Instead of flatly saying, I am confident, say it with power, breathe it in, feel it in your body. Your subconscious doesn't respond to logic, it responds to emotion. 2. Visualization. Close your eyes and see your desired life in vivid detail. The brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. It fires the same neurons. Olympic athletes have used visualization for decades to boost performance. You can too. 3. Repetition, repetition, repetition. Neural pathways are built through repetition. One affirmation won't change your life, but repeating it daily, combined with feeling, etches it deep into your subconscious. Think of it like watering a plant. Consistency creates growth. 4. Anchor your new identity. Instead of trying to achieve something, embody the identity now. Don't say, "I want to be healthy." Say, "I am someone who honors my body." Identity shapes behavior and behavior shapes destiny. 5. Surround yourself with alignment. Design your environment to support your new code. Want to eat better? Keep junk food out of the house. Want to focus? Put your phone in another room. Want inspiration? Surround yourself with mentors, uplifting content, and growth communities. Your environment either reinforces your programming or sabotages it. Choose wisely. Here's a simple daily routine to program yourself the right way. Morning, wake up and immediately speak 3 affirmations out loud. Visualize your day unfolding with clarity and confidence. Midday, pause for 2 minutes, breathe deeply, reset your posture, and affirm your intention. Evening, before sleep, write down 3 wins from your day, even small ones. This trains your brain to look for success. Do this for 30 days and watch how your inner code starts to shift. Remember, the small daily choices are the lines of code that create the program of your life. You were born with a blank slate, open, limitless, full of potential. But along the way, you downloaded programs that were not truly yours. Now, you have the power to rewrite them. To delete the old files of fear, doubt, and limitation. To install new ones, of courage, clarity, abundance, and peace. The truth is, you are the programmer, and your life will always mirror the code you choose to run. So, starting today, choose wisely. Speak the words that lift you. Live the habits that strengthen you. Build the environment that frees you. Because once you program yourself the right way, there is no limit to the life you can create. This is Tranquility Insights.